Hello guys! Today, I'm going to walk you through how to make your very first investment on Trading 212 if you're just getting started. Don't worry, I'll break it down step by step, so it's super easy to follow. The very first thing you'll need to do is fund your account. Trading 212 makes this straightforward, but remember, your capital is always at risk when investing. So only use money you're comfortable with. Now, let's start with investing in shares. Once your account is funded, use the search bar to look for the company you're interested in. When you find it, click on the company, then select the buy button. At this stage, you'll be asked to choose the type of order you'd like to place and the amount you want to invest. Double check that everything looks right, then click Review Order. If you're happy, simply hit Send Buy Order, and congratulations! You've just bought your first share on Trading 212. If you'd prefer to invest in ETFs instead, the steps are almost identical. Again, start by searching for the ETF you want, click on it, and hit Buy. Choose your order type, set the investment amount, and review your order carefully before confirming. Once you click Send Buy Order, your investment will be placed, and that's it. You've successfully made your very first investment with Trading 212. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy trading guides, and drop a comment below to let me know what your first investment will be. And if you think this video could help a friend who's starting out, feel free to share it with them too.